What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Edward, and on Instagram I go by Trail Ready Forerunner. Welcome. So as you can see behind me, my garage is a mess, and if you don't already know, I'm actually heading on a week-long trip. We have partnered up with Frontrunner and are shooting a bunch of content for them this week. We're gonna make our way up the 395 and hit a bunch of trails out there. The one caveat is that I'm not taking the Forerunner. Yep, you heard me right. I'm not taking the Forerunner on this trip. So this project entails us taking the Gladiator from Frontrunner, as well as another Jeep. Yes, a Jeep. But yeah, out of all my time off-roading and camping, I've never actually driven a Jeep. I have buddies who have Jeeps, so I'll be on a week-long trip driving a Jeep, and I'm bringing you guys along. And I'll give you guys my honest opinion about it. I'm not biased. I have nothing against them, so it's going to be really interesting driving a Jeep for a week and comparing it to my 20-plus-year-old vehicle. Without further ado, let's go check out this Jeep. What's up, guys? We're here at technically our first location to shoot, but look at this view. It's all coming from the smoke due to the fires that we're having here in California, but it's sad, but it looks so amazing the way the sun is a like bright red orange in the sky, but it just looks crazy out here. George is out here capturing some content, but we're gonna get to camp, shoot a little more. I'll do a little B-roll to insert here. Alright guys, so here's our setup for night one. Check out our campsite. Big shout out to Big Ten Outdoors for providing these Claymore lights that we're using to shoot this weekend. Coming in clutch. guys day 2 on our trip. We woke up, got camp kind of set up, cleaned up. We're gonna start shooting some photography, videography for Front Runner. I wanted to show you guys kind of like the layout of what we're working with. Let's go. All right, so that's where I slept last night. This Front Runner tent. That's where George slept in his tent. And then we pulled out the awning. We kind of got this area set up for the shoot right now. We got Pelican boxes, camera gear, the Dometic battery bank, Front Runner's table, Claymore fan, just a hard drive. We got more Pelican boxes set up around the camp. We got Front Runner's water tank here. And then of course the 2 collapsible chairs by Front Runner. And then over here we got the Timbletuss Scottle and George's setup. Dang, George, what's that shiny new toy?
It's a new toy, guys. Check it out.
Dang, Hasselblad's 1-inch sensor. That thing's a beast.
Hopefully I don't crash it.
Fingers crossed. Alright, so we're all packed up, leaving location 1, heading to location 2. I'm gonna get some B-roll on the way out of Alabama Hills. Enjoy. So when you're dealing with electronics, there's always bound for something to go wrong. In this case, I had a magnetic interruption which wouldn't let my phone connect to my drone. It's always something. Alright, so we're in Alabama Hills, as you guys know, on our way out. And we had to stop at this rock. I have no idea what it's called. I'll notate it. They change it every once in a while. But we're gonna get a couple of shots here and then get on the road. All right, we're saying goodbye to this beautiful face. No, not mine. That one.